Everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Please subscribe my YouTube channel here and turn on the notification bell. I do video every single day. Alright, today we're gonna do unboxing. Yes, it is another Boxycharm, and this time we're gonna open the October box and see if this is fabulous or not. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. Okay, so when you open it, I'm going to put all the Boxycharm information right here so you can take a look. There are 3 different boxes: the regular box, premium box, and luxe box. And it's really not much price difference, but the content is much more bigger as you go bigger. So premium box is really fabulous. Now let me get my glasses here because I can't see anything. Alright, so this, oh, so cute. It says a Boxycharm Spellbound. So it's definitely October vibe. Has a candle in here. It's a very spooky. And this time they have a some kind of online events right here. I'm not gonna read all this. You guys can take a picture, lasts longer. Take a picture and see what anything that you want to check it out. All right, so let's kind of go through product individually. And this time, this is the item right here, overview. So let me just open this up first. Okay, let's get the first product now. Okay, the first product is by Voat Hair Care, and this is $22. And what is this? Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. So it's a mousse, I suppose. And I'll definitely let's try this right now. Since I need a little help. Oh, it comes out really nice mousse like this. Doesn't have a lot of scent. Let's just see how this look on my hair since I need a little foam right here. And then we can see if this product feels sticky at all. I hate product make my hair feel super sticky. So this is the hair foam. It doesn't make my hand feel sticky at all though. Pretty good. Definitely will play more with this product here. And like I said, this is $22 as the first product. The next product we have here is by Benefit. It's called Georgia. And it's, let me see how much is this. I should show you guys this first. It's a $30. Wow. Just those two products, it's $50. It's worth more than the box I pay for. And this is the new shade. You know what? I really like the idea that, you know, they give you brush here. You know, like long time ago when you buy makeup, it comes with applicator, it comes with little brushes. And now in this day, things like you don't get that, you have to buy everything separately. So this is called Georgia. It's a really nice peachy shade. My sister's named Georgia. Maybe I'll give this to her. It's cute. Okay. The next product we have here is, and this, whoa! It is $100. This is an antioxidant energizing essence. Wow. You guys know how much I love essence, right? So, okay. This just reminds me, it looks like an SK2 facial trim essence. Same bottle, same cap, different lettering. You know, oops, gonna fall off. Let's give it a try. And essence is something that you use after you put on toner before you apply serum. And most of the essence, it basically is like liquid vitamin for your skin. And when you use that, oh my god, this smells very perfumey. I don't like it. Ugh. Yeah, too much perfume. But essence is, think about essence, it's a liquid vitamins, so it absorbs very quickly, and whatever you put on top can go in deeper, get faster result. And many essence do different things, and this one particularly says antioxidants, so it really just against environmental damage. Let me see what else they do right here. So this essence not only against environmental damage, also provide immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalizing for refreshed and rejuvenated skin. But the scent, oh, I don't know. And this is a 3.4 ounce for $100. Wow, that's pretty expensive essence. Okay, let's go on to the next items. Let's see. What is this? So this is by LUXE Beauty. No Limit Matte Bronzer, $18. So let's open this. It's like a triangle shape. It's really cute. This is cute packaging. Kind of like a rose gold. Okay. I think it's really great they give you this large shape. But again, where's the brush? And by the way, why am I getting two brush here? Well, I say this is the bronzer, but same thing, you know. Interesting. So I think I really hate it when they don't come with any applicator. It's not hiding anywhere. Yeah, so yeah, don't really care for that. I mean, life is already hectic enough. The last thing you need to know, like if imagine I'm taking, imagine you are taking this with you, putting in your makeup bag, and then when you want to apply, you're like, oh, there's no applicator. What are you gonna do? So that's annoying. Okay, there's two more items right here. So this one is by Tarte Cosmetics, and this is a plumping gloss. How much is this baby right here? This is $19. So, and this is called Buff. Typically, I'm more excited in getting skincare than makeup, but a lot of people love makeup, so they will like it. It's a really thick applicator, which is really great. So let me just put this right here to show you guys. So it's kind of nice nude pink. Has a nice shimmer in there. I can't smell anything because the essence I put my hand so strong. But this is really pretty pink though. So yeah, this is nice. Okay. So now this one here is a base blue cosmetic dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipe. Okay, let's check this out. So this is $21, so it's not too expensive. But the problem is, oh, I see now. So immediately I notice this day, night. So let me see what happened here. How do you open this thing here? It's too advanced. I don't even know how to open. So when you open it, it's like that. So the blue is the night, peach is the day. So what is the difference? So this is the dry, this is the wet. Water activate cleansing wipe gently used on sensible skins. Remove excess oil and refreshing skin. Definitely give it a try. You need water for that. The wet one is for nighttime, so it already have liquid in it to remove makeup. So there are, how many packets in here? 10. So it's 20 pack total for $21. So it's roughly $1 something a pack. I don't know. What do you think about this? I think this is really cute. Very nice design. One for day, one for night. I would like to assume that nighttime probably is more of stronger ingredient in there because you do need to remove the makeup. For daytime, probably it's more gentle because all you really have is just oil and dirt on the skin. So just so you guys know that you do need to wash your face in the morning. I get people ask me that, well, I didn't even leave the house. I slept all night. Why do I need to wash face? Well, the thing is, even though you are asleep, I'm looking at this. This is cool. Okay, now it's working. So it's changing the words. See that? Okay. Now I was saying that even though you are asleep, but your skin is not asleep, your skin's working still detoxify all the dirt and oil on the surface of the skin. And then imagine you lay on a pillow, the oil coming out, and the oil stuck on the pillow and go back to skin, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Not to mention the bacteria around there, right? So you really need to wash your faces in the morning, but you don't need to do very intense, deep cleansing. Just gentle cleansing should be fine. So this month's box, I think was okay. I was really looking forward for the essence, but it's so perfumey, so I don't really care for that. And this time they have actually even 3 beauty products. 3 skincare. I'm excited about the cleansing wipe. Definitely gonna give it a try. And I need a hair. This doesn't do anything. See, my hair is, I don't see any volume or anything like that. It's kind of soft hold, I think. maybe it's good. I need to try more. So overall, it's not a bad box. So yeah, can you say anything else? Yeah, that's it. NT. So I hope you liked today's video, and then any questions, comment leave below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.